Oh shit! That's it. Hold on, stay on it.
Oh, that's fucking great.
Hey. Come on, girl. Keep ready, box up. Oh my God, is this deep? That's Facebook approval, man. She's gonna start today.
You taking pictures?
Yeah. We're all on Facebook.
Make sure you tag me in them.
Make sure you tag me.
Because I want them on my Facebook. I think you got a little bit of water in your light.
Oh, damn it. There's only a good piece on that motherfucker. That ball better not blow. Yeah, right, Brandon. I told you it was like 6 foot. It's off 1 foot. Huh? It's off 1 foot.
I mean, that's pretty cool. Like,
Just set right into the carburetor. What you say?